Sup, y'all? Yeah, I got some hauls to share with you guys, and yeah, it involves some more Marvel Legends. Yeah, I gotta slow down on these Marvel Legends. Serious. Um, so anyway, got this. I actually ordered this the same time that I ordered that Ant-Man and the Wasp 2-pack. This was also, I forget how much, 17, 18, something like that. Previously a Walmart exclusive. Um, I'd missed out. Actually, I don't think I'd ever even seen it on the shelves at Walmart. And I was watching it on Amazon ever since I noticed it come up, but I was waiting for the right time, and by right time I mean the right price, and for the right price I mean 20-ish or less. So yeah, at like 18 or so bucks, why not? Um, Really cool 2-pack. Luke Cage, Claire Temple. Um, let's see if we can focus here. It doesn't want to focus. Likeness is really good. Um, I don't know if this is a first, but to have an action figure of Rosario Dawson, you know, yeah, really cool. So there's that. Um, Actually, gonna be going camping again soon. Finally, after like a couple years. It was, well, maybe not totally 2 years, but it was like September, I think, of 2018. Yeah, that was first time having camp since. But after that, I remember I was really excited for it. And then I loved the experience, and I was so pumped. I was like, "Oh man, I can't wait to go camping again!" And here we are, over a year later, still haven't gone camping, but will be camping again soon. So I'm still gonna be able to use most of what we had last time, but there's a couple more things that I picked up, including these power banks. It's only gonna be a 2 day thing, but we will be without electricity. We will have access to the vehicle, but still, power banks would help, and it's something that'll come in handy a lot for trips and stuff like that. I've been intending to get some for my wife and I for a long time now. Just finally did, and 20,000. I forget what the mAh milliamperes or something like that. 20,000. So I think it's got some good power storage. Here's hoping these work out. They were only 20 bucks each, so you know, not bad. Not bad in price. So hopefully they just work well. Also off of Amazon, picked up this Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn Roomscapes repositionable poster. I was looking for a cool Birds of Prey poster. An actual, well, I mean, when I say that, I mean, an officially licensed one. And most of the major officially licensed posters are by the company Trends International. All the ones by Trends had only Harley Quinn. Or I think there was like the movie poster, and you see the others, but it's really small. I really wanted something of the whole gang, and this was all they had. So, not my ideal. I didn't want to have to use one of these, the sticky repositionable posters. But it'll work. Love the image. Love the movie. So yeah, and then last up, it's Father's Day. Actually, as I record this, it is actually Father's Day. So by the time you see this, Father's Day will have passed. But for any of you that are fathers, belated Happy Father's Day. Or Happy Father's Day to your fathers, whoever is viewing this. Wife got me a little present. A new pair of my everyday wear Vans old school comfy cush. So it is, on the outside is 100% identical to your traditional Vans old school, but these have the I'm not gonna pull that out right now. These have the comfy cush soles. I love it. These are the Vans old schools, my everyday wear, and my pair is pretty beat up. It's probably the most I've ever used any one of my shoes, like in my whole life. They are really beat up, but I just was not retiring them and getting a new pair, so my wife finally got them for me. So there you guys have it. That is my little haul to share with you guys. Going camping soon, so I don't know if I'll have any more haul videos to share. I might. I do know I have some stuff coming in, and I have some stuff that I have on order that I know will be arriving either while I'm camping or soon after. So plenty of hauls to come. Yeah, and then right after this, I'm gonna go throw this on the wall. I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna look. But yeah, there you guys have it. As always, stay safe out in Corona land. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching.